The assembly of cubic stone can be done on a sand bed, semi-sweet screed, or concrete bed. The most commonly used natural stones for paving are granite varieties, with dimensions of 10 by 10 centimeters and a thickness of 5 centimeters or more, depending on the type of traffic to be supported on the surface. Granite has a hardness of 6 to 7 on the Mohs scale, very low water absorption, and high resistance to compression and weather factors. For assembly on a sand bed, the following are necessary. Checking utility routes. They must be avoided. Checking the water drainage system. Water should not accumulate under the stone. After excavating to ensure the installation depth, the excavations are made according to traffic, filling the formed hole with gravel with dimensions of 1.5 to 2 centimeters, which is compacted. A layer of sharp sand is placed over the gravel, leveled, compacted, and a second layer of sand, this time loose, is placed. Cubic stones are then placed over this, pressed into the sand, and fixed with a rubber mallet. A joint is left between the stones. The flatness is constantly checked using a level or ruler. Prepare the mortar for joints by mixing sand and cement. Pour the mortar over the surface, then spread it, covering the joints. Compact it. Finally, wet the surface with water and remove excess mortar.